Welcome. My name is Nabi Bawazir. I'm an AI consultant. I talk about data science in business. After watching this video, I hope you can reduce the number of meetings for preparing your future machine learning project. Make sure you are watching until the end because it will give you actual use cases. I know probably it's gonna look overwhelming, but after trying managing tens of data scientists, either in data nest or its clients, this framework is saved my time a lot. If you are interested to know more about AI business strategy, don't hesitate to subscribe. Also, don't forget to ask questions in the comment below. And how to interview business user? What give you effective requirement gathering? I'm going to take you exact 7 steps through it. Keep on watching. Step 1. Defining problem statement. The popular problem-solving process is design thinking, and it rewrites the question into design challenge. And the question in design challenges is, how much we predict blah blah blah, and blah 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 can be replaced with when, how much, what, how much at certain times, etc. Each type of questions have a different statistical method. If there are many requests in the comment below, then specific video about problem statement in machine learning will be made. Step 2. Define actionability. Every prediction has actions. If not, it's gonna be useless. Actionability is must. Present a number of alternatives. For example, we will predict credit score actions, and that I presented before. If the score is high or low, the action must be different. We can even give more than 2 choices of actions, which are important in accordance with objectives. Step 3. Define unit analysis. The unit of analysis is the major entity that you should do in analyzing in your study. For instance, unit analysis can be vary from individual, customer groups, product ads, loan, etc. In the database, every single unit analysis is represented by one row in the table, nothing more and nothing less. If there are many requests in the comments below, then specific video about success criteria will be made. What is the most often data set you see? Transaction, marketing, or IoT? Please comment below. Step 4. Define variable. Variable section should be related to the business. Make sure that the data is available. A variable is any characteristics, number, or quantity that can be measured or counted. A variable may also count a data item. Example of variable is age, sex, and business income, expenses, country of birth, capital expenditure, class grades, eye color, and vehicle type, etc. In machine learning, variable is also can be developed by feature engineering techniques. Step 5. Define level. If you're new to machine learning, it's worth to starting with a lot of type of that. It can be supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, self-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The most widely applied in the business world is supervised learning. For unsupervised learning, please look at actionability. For others, there will be additional steps to become supervised learning. So, you still need to expand the level. Step 6. Defining success criteria. In business, there are things that must be allocated. It can be money. 1. To give a sense of purpose of the algorithm. Usually, I use money more often as measurement tool. If there are many requests in the comments below, that specific video of the success criteria will be made. You can share this video through your office chat group if you have hard time to defining success criteria. Step 7. Defining threshold system. In the actionability part before, we can even give more than 2 choices of actions, which are important in accordance with objectives. In the credit scoring case, we will tell what score does 40, 50, 60, or 70 minutes. You can get 30-minute free call for the first 10 people who fill the form in description box below. After filling the form, you can discuss which step is the most difficult to you. I appreciate you watching until the end. I hope you can get great data, great day, and great life. See you at the next video.